Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can install a new theme in Hostinger panel. Now let me type hostinger.com, and here you can see this is official website where you can get domain and hosting. After that, simply click login button to log in into your hosting account. Then after that you can add or login with email and password, as well as you can use these social accounts to log in into the Hostinger panel. So now guys, here you can see we are logged in into the Hostinger web hosting, and after that now simply click here manage button. So this is our web hosting package. Now we need to find file manager. Simply click here file manager, and after that it will take just few seconds. Here you can see we got message we are redirecting into the file manager. Then you will see here public HTML, and after that here you can see these are additional folders. Basically these are the subdomains, and each subdomain has its own directory. Then simply click here on WP content. Sorry, let's go back one step, and after that scroll down, then WP content. Then here you can see themes option, click here, and here you can see these are by default themes. Now let's upload a new theme. Then let me upload theme here. Simply I can select theme file, dv, and here you can see it has started uploading, and on the upper side you can see here progress bar. So it will take just few seconds for the uploading, and make sure that your theme file is in zip format, otherwise you can get error during theme installation. Alright, theme installation is almost complete. Now simply extract this zip file, scroll down, and here you can see the extract button. Then select the destination, then themes. Simply scroll down, extract. Here add name dv. Now here you can see dv theme is added here. Now let me log in into my WordPress website, and after that appearance, then themes. Scroll down. Now you can see theme is installed but not activated. Simply click here on the activate button. So guys, now you can see dv theme is installed and activated. In this way you can easily install any theme in the Hostinger panel.